What's up fam, it's your boy Mohamed Safar and we are back with another vlog. Today I got an epic vlog for you guys because of course we're gonna unbox some sneakers and I'm gonna go to actually one of my favorite spots that's in California, but now they opened it here in Dubai, in the Dubai Mall. I'll show you guys where we're going in a bit. Oh, what's up bro? How are you doing? What's up brother? How are you? All good? What's up bro? This is for you.
No way, what is this, bro?
I got you something from London.
Oh wow. Is this a bobblehead?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Sick, right? And this is the spot I'm talking about. I've been going to in California for a minute and they finally have it here in Dubai.
I will order more.
We just got seated, we ordered our broth.
So we just click it here.
And this is my homie Sharon.
Yeah.
They welcomed us with some fruits and aprons. Thank you very much.
They didn't give us enough fruits.
Oh, we're in where? China. Oh my god, you're gonna get cancelled, bro. The broths are here, and we're still looking at the menu, but food will be coming up in a bit.
Rice, no?
Alright, everything started coming in. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Oh man. Oh man. First reaction to the beef, I believe. Just like Cali. That's how it's done. Guys, I just ordered noodles. There you go.
I didn't got a show, bro.
Wow, what a show.
I wonder what he's thinking. He's like, I'm fed up of the song.
And this is the end, boys. This is the end. They got us this random plate of, he says bird seeds, sunflower seeds.
You got the bird seeds?
I call them sunflower seeds.
It's so rude.
I call them sunflower seeds. Okay, man. I can call them bird seeds.
What?
Because I give it to my parrot.
Well, you don't have a parrot.
I used to.
Used to. Really good dinner. I highly recommend that spot if you guys are in Dubai. And now to unbox some sneakers. Okay, so first off, we do have a sneaker that Adidas has sent me. Huge shout out to Adidas for sending me these sneakers right here. Now this isn't a limited edition sneaker or anything, but is a very cool colorway on the campus silhouette. All in all, very nice materials all over the sneaker. And and I think the campus looks really good in this purple colorway. So huge thank you to Adidas here in the UAE for sending these over. I really appreciate it. So that was actually gifted to me, and now my first sneaker pickup. Here we have, of course, the iconic Jordan 1 in the new Spider-Man Spider-Verse colorway, which is a very, very cool color because, of course, obviously it's the Chicago. I must say, this sneaker smells amazing. Can't get over the smell. Probably not good for you though. First thing we see, obviously different compared to the previous Spider-Man collab, is the red icy bottoms, and these glow in the dark, really, really nice. Especially if you guys are gonna go wear these to the movies, it's gonna look insane on your feet, and I'm sure everyone's gonna recognize them from the movie. Now, compared to the last Chicago Spider-Mans, these are obviously not very different, but they do have different materials all over. You've got the leather, suede, and patent leather on the Nike swoosh, which is really nice to see something different. Now, I do kind of like this a little bit more better just because it's closer to the Chicago colorway, which if you see this from far, you won't be able to tell that's actually collab for the Spider-Man movie. But this, you will. You can definitely see it from far and know that it's not your regular Jordan 1 Chicago. And that's why I think this one looks a little bit more special because of that. Even though, obviously, a lot of people will like this a lot more just because it's closer to the Chicago colorway. That's what I think. Now, when these first released, they were not going for much for resale and they skyrocketed like crazy. I believe the same thing will happen to this sneaker right here. They're probably sitting at around $300 right now a resale, and they will go up like crazy. So if you guys get the chance to get these for retail or even slightly a little bit more for resale, grab them. Don't sleep on the opportunity. It's a perfect shoe to wear this summer. And next up we have another Jordan sneaker. Here we have the Jordan 4 silhouette in the Thunder colorway. Now this is a retro to the 2012 colorway that's released, that was the Thunder as well, based on Michael Jordan's motorsport team. He's done this colorway and the Lightning colorway, which is the yellow and gray, and here is obviously the yellow and black. And now let me grab the 2012 pair to put it side by side and see the differences we have from the previous pair and today's pair. Now, without wearing these, I already know that the newer Jordan sneakers are a little bit more comfortable than the previous ones, just because with technology these days, they can make them a little bit more comfortable. They know exactly what to do from experience. And now looking at these side by side, colorway obviously is the same, but the materials are slightly different. Can't say this is better than the other. Both seem to be using very nice materials. Both are like kind of the suede nubuck material all over the sneaker. Got a really nice bright yellow soles on both of them, which look pretty identical. The paint job on the new one might be a little bit different from the previous one. Doesn't look as smooth, but can't complain. Really nice. A major thing I can already see is in the tongue. The 2012 pair does have a thinner tongue compared to the brand new one right here. A must cop in my opinion, a double up in my case for sure. And next up, we have the Nike SB Run the Jewels. Now this is a collab made of obviously for the band, and a really cool touch where they actually done the jewel on the Nike swoosh. This pink colorway right here, I think is actually inspired by one of their albums. I believe the first or the fourth album, I forgot. But yeah, you do have some nice cool accessories here if you guys want to change the lace lock to black, because right now it comes with the gold. I honestly think I'll stick with the gold, which is pretty cool that they give you the option to change the lace locks. Really nice pony material on these. Really nice materials. You have leather and pony hair on here, and of course a nice pink bottom with the yellow in the center and yellow heel tab as well. The pair does come with different laces. You get to change them to green, yellow, and I think one more, gray. And I think it will look really nice with these. Really cool addition to the shoe. And next up, of course, we have the second colorway to the Run the Jewels. I believe also this was actually inspired by one of their album covers. I do like this colorway a little bit more just because I think it's a little bit more wearable. Nice materials on the inside. As you guys can see, this really nice soft sock lining right here and a really nice leather tongue. I didn't expect this actually to be leather, but yeah, the tongue's actually all in leather. And I think it's on the previous pair too. I kind of missed it. But yeah, really nice dark blue suede on the bottom. Got this kind of nubuck material on the back here with the baby blue color, and of course you got the entire sole in ice blue, not just the bottom. The entire sole over here is an ice blue color, which is really nice because you do not see a lot of icy bottoms on SBs or any silhouette. Definitely gonna rock these soon. And last but not least, we have the Nike SB Doritos collab. This, I think, definitely is on my top 10 sneakers of this year. Just because I think the Doritos brand is a perfect collab for the Nike SB silhouette. I can't see the Doritos soda brand work with any other silhouette as good as the Nike SB. Really cool materials all over the sneaker, and obviously you guys know already that this is tearable, which you can find in orange color under here. I'm not gonna rip this one up right now. If I get a second and a third pair, I would definitely do that. And like I said, really cool details because you do have the different soda flavors and the insoles, which is really cool. I personally really like the pineapple myself, one of my favorites. It's the drink I have whenever I'm having tacos or burritos. Of course, if that place is carrying these sodas, and most likely they do. Really beautiful sneaker. I really love what Doritos has done with the sneaker. Knowing the success of this release, I think this won't be the last of the Doritos drop. I'm pretty sure we're gonna see another colorway dropped, hopefully sooner than later. So these are my latest sneaker pickups, and now a quick 360 look on the sneakers. And now I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did, make sure to smash the like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys very soon.